Hey everyone, what's up? This is me Noshiakjan and welcome again a new video. So in this video we'll try to recreate this scene from our last video, like this one is the psych mode at Gen X Films. So let's play this one more and then we'll create this kind of scene. As you can see that I have posted this video, a week ago. Yeah, a week ago. So this post was basically created only the purpose. Was created for the Christmas weekly contents. This one is basically created with AI or artificial intelligence, and how this was made, and I'm gonna explain you. Uh, so let's there are some annoying dogs. So what I was talking about, like how I made this kind of animation. Basically I have used literally too many AI softwares like Stable Diffusion, Collab Diffusion, and Compify UI to recreate this kind of ambience, like anime ambience. So in this video we'll try a different method. We will use Pixverse. This is an Discord automatically generated, auto generated video, which and this AI does you can easily create this kind of AI scene easily, without even coding or using PyTorch, or without even using any kind of Stable Diffusion or anything else. So it might be wrong to say you that using those things instead of creating your own like graphics design, then illustrating, then animating those stuffs, this takes almost a year, or 2 years or 3 years. So I suggesting you, if you're a beginner, if you want to clear it out like how all graphic design works, so I probably suggest you to you can simply follow me and you can use Pixverse. It's really helpful. So let's build this one with the Pixverse and see if it is work or not. So let's on I've opened a new window and I'm gonna type the Pixverse from here, and this one's the Pixverse AI, you can see, and here is the first link with the create pre-tracking videos with Pixverse AI. So first you need to search the Pixverse and you will get this kind of interface, and you can see there really there are plenty of works and there are much works you expect. So there are plenty of other options you can use alternatively, like Pixverse or Mid-Journey or other AI, but those not works perfectly, and this one is completely easy and free to use. There is not a single rupee you need to pay for that. So first you need to click on the join beta, and after that you need to redirect to this the Discord, the Discord app or Discord application for your the Android device or your system. So I've already opened, and the Pixverse first, when you entered first time, you need to select some channel roles. You need to follow some I mean rules and regulation, then you can easily get to into it. So you can easily follow their events, weekly events, and you can also participate. I participated on this weekly event, but I didn't select. And you can see there are much more things. So how you can generate, so first you'll get this kind of two rooms, like room 1 and room 2. You can generate anything you like. There is not a single thing. You can also generate the NFSW content. You can see there is not a single filter also there. So you can generate the landscape, like you can see, you can download, you can upscale, you can do anything you like. So let me give you a small demonstration you can easily use. So first you need to put a slash over there. You can see I put a slash, and just you need to uh, type the create, then select this text to video to create a prompt. So basically you need to simplify that what you really want to create as a scene. So I want to create like a landscape, which is basically could be like with mountains, landscape with mountains, mountains, blue sky, charming, charming weather. Okay, then you need to also simplify the viewing angles. So I'm writing like viewing horizontal position. Okay, so you can also describe how the lights you like to show your in this video. Like I'm showing like could be like sunny lighting, so sunny lighting, a landscape with mountains, blue sky, charming weather. Okay, then you can easily go for other prompts, like I can easily write down a lake in front of mountains, mountains, I guess this is mountains. And then you can simply define the style if you really want to generate realistic or also anime. Basically I prefer you, if you, that's up to you obviously, but I prefer you to generate anime. Basically this realistic thing does not work properly with artificial intelligence, because these realistic things also creates lots of, I mean, heterogeneal some sort of things, like that's not good for your videos, not suggested. So I'm sorry, so I mean using the anime. And you can also select the aspect ratio. I'm gonna choose 16:9 is the perfect aspect ratio as the horizontal leveling. And then you can also add negative prompt. So as a negative prompt I will add like choppy faces, no characters, I mean characters, um choppy, arts. You can also add some keywords here like 4K render, Unreal Engine, which help this AI to recognize what kind of engine they would use to generate your prompt. So basically I would like to render this anime scene with Unreal Engine. So I've done some negative prompt over here, and you can also add one more like character. You can easily use their character system to generate some inbuilt characters, but I will skip in this part because this prompt doesn't contain any kind of characters. Basically this is simply on landscape. So now simply you need to press the enter, and it will tell you we are making videos, will notify when it's done. And this will show you some your I mean prompts and other settings. You can also redo. So first you need to wait for a couple of minutes to load this kind of video. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to load a single scene. So you need to wait. So you can check other works, you can easily visit. Also you can put like your own creation, you can upload your files, you can give some motions. You can see the result over there. This character is not working, that's why I told you not to use any kind of characters, because this looks actually bit weird. So we can see this one is the motion basically created with the AI, but that doesn't look right for me. So you need to experiment a lot. So where if you are using artificial intelligence first time, there is a big question that how we can start, I mean how to start at first, like how we can know about the common prompts. You can simply mail me. You can find the mail or vlog link in my description. There you will find that how we will start this kind of thing. So as you can see that this thing generates my prompt. You can see there are 4 different versions of it. So check it one by one. So there is the first one, which is basically creates nice vibes. Like there are mountains, you can see their layers. The sky is also blue, and there is also a lake that we have prompt. And this is effect also generate on Unreal Engine. You can see this effect is called the faded shadow, which is generates with the thing. So you can see this one is also good, but there are some little more like weird thing, the movement. That's why movements is a negative prompt. Okay, so you can see this one is also a great thing. So okay, this one is the in one. Okay, this in out, there are different camera perspective. So you can also render it to 4K. So you need to upscale to the 4K what you like. So this case I'm going for the first one. So I'm going to choose this U1 to generate, to upgrade, I mean to the next 4K vision. So you can see this one is remaking the video again. So wait for a minute, a couple of minutes to take to view. And in every video you'll see there's one watermark in the layout like Pixverse. You can easily I mean hide this with the aspect ratio, I mean the blackbirds. So according to this scene, you can see here I've used the same overlay like the blackbirds. Basically, I have done this whole project using the stable diffusion, color fusion, mid journey, and also Pixverse handled like some coding informations, Compify UI, and I rendered it out with the CapCut app. So there are different versions of it. So it's now, I mean, generating this project. So wait a couple of minutes. You can see our upscaled one is completely ready, and you can also play this one. You can see this looks really great and amazing, but when we are using like a 2K monitor, it's quite different. But as a 1080p resolution, it is quite good, and it upscaled, so it's better than the previous one. You can see, and you can simply download this one by pressing this one, the download option, and it will visit another pop-up from the I mean window, and it will give you the file. Okay, you will get this kind of file. And you can see this one is only the 4 seconds long. The duration is only the 4 seconds. You can do lengthier than that, but you can easily generate or upscale this video. And then after all, you can generate much videos, you can edit with your post-production software, you can use different kind of software, and you can easily compile. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. It's I mean, it's a big help for those who are or starting their animation journey. You can also visit their different I mean rendering things. You can see there are much more. You can follow their works. You can also get some showcasing works from here. You can also purchase the subscription. There are some plenty of subscription which give you the beta access of any new releases of the artificial intelligence. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, share with your friends. This is awesome trick, and let's share with your close friends, and it will help them also to start their journey. So thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Subscribe and stay tuned for new videos. Thank you.